See, they're little artists. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a water tanker. Imagine all the water it carries to help us every day. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Before we bring our water tanker to life, let's start with a rough pencil sketch. Just follow along with me, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Now, let's grab our pencils and make some magic on the canvas. Fantastic job with the sketch! Now, it's time to grab our black marker and outline our water tanker. First, let's draw the head of the truck. Nice and big! Now, add 3 wheels. 1, 2, 3. Great!
Cool!
Let's continue by drawing the front glass and the side window. Looking good!
Awesome!
Now, let's draw the base of our truck, a rectangle, for stability. Don't forget to add a backlight.
Wow!
And here comes the exciting part. Draw the water tank on the back. Imagine all that water inside. Time to add some color.
Awesome!
Let's start by coloring the head of the truck in a vibrant green. Beautiful! Now, add green and orange to the wheels and the backlight. Mix those colors up. Next, color the headlight and the belts of the tank in a cheerful yellow. Picture the headlights shining bright. Let's use sky blue for the front glass, side window, and the back part of the tank. Moving on, use purple for the front part of the tank. It's starting to come together. Now, grab your pink marker and color the middle part of the tank. Can you see it taking shape?
Awesome!
Last but not least, use indigo for the base of the truck. Look at those wheels, our water tanker is ready to hit the road. What a masterpiece, little artists! And there you have it, our amazing water tanker. Keep drawing, keep creating, and until next time, stay colorful. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.